Here are the results of the experiment. Rain lily, this is day 12. No blooms. Sad. This rain lily is 6 years old. I bring it in every winter because I'm in zone 5B, 6A, right on the line. And so it's hardy to a more tropical climate. So I've been bringing it in the winter. It's a gorgeous plant. I saw a YouTube video that said if I trim this guy and then I water it with rainwater with a mix of aloe in the rainwater and do a thorough watering, that in 7 days I would have beautiful rain lily blooms. But alas, I do not. But one interesting thing we did find out is that, so after I did the trim, like you can see here is a little guy that I trimmed. The guys that I did not trim curled. Can you see that? Like this. Here's another one. Here's another one. So they curled around like they were avoiding a haircut. So I thought that was interesting. But the YouTube video that claims that that's how you force a rain lily to bloom, I don't buy it. Now, the average temperature here during that time period was about 60 degrees. For the first 7 days, it was outside, and then it got a little bit cold. So I brought it inside, but I can say with certainty that it did not work in that situation. So there you go, plant nerds. Rain lilies.